Hello and good morning. Let's take a look here. What does reconcile mean? Well, when you're talking about a bank account, it means that the bank statement and your check register match. The number here matches the number here. And you may have some outstanding checks and some outstanding deposits. Number two, $10 a month plus 5 cents for each check written. You wrote 25 checks. Well, that would be $10 plus 25 or 5 cents times 25. So $10 plus however many checks you wrote. So you'd have to multiply that out and then add 10. Today we're going to do arithmetic sequences, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Any electronic devices from this point on, from Monday to Thursday, if you open it, it will come up on my desk until the end of the day. So please keep them away. Now here's the worksheet that we're doing. So if you can't be with us, it's right here. And I'll label it a little bit later on. Okay? And then you have a backside, which looks like this. And we're going to watch a little video on the formula. All right, let's take a look now to college algebra. All right, let's start right here. We're going to do distance formula and midpoint today. So on this one right here, to do the distance formula, you're going to put your equation, which looks like this. And then you're going to put your x's here and your y's there. I'm going to go this way. The first one is your x. So it's -2 and -5. It's -4 and -6. Once you do that, that becomes a plus. That gives you 3 squared. This one right here becomes a plus. 6 minus 4, that gives you 2 squared. So that's going to be 9 plus 4, which is the square root of 13, and you can use your calculator. There it is. To find the midpoint, well, to do the midpoint, let's first graph it. So go ahead and graph it. Go over 2, negative, and then down 4. Put a point. We'll call this one A. And then go -5, and then go down 6. So this was 4, 5, 6. And we'll call this one B, this one A. So the distance between here is the square root of 13. To find the midpoint, that would be where this half is equal to that half. Okay? And that's what we're doing right here. So what you're going to do is add up your x's. So that's going to give you a -7 divided by 2. And then you add up your y's. That gives you a -10 divided by 2. So the answer here, we're going to watch a video on this. This is going to be a -3.5 and a -5. So it should be a -3, 1, 2, 3.5, and then down 5. And it sure looks like a midpoint. Okay? Today you have a worksheet which looks like this. And again, we're going to watch a video, and I'll label this worksheet in a little while. Okay? I want distance and midpoint for each problem. Okay? So distance and midpoint. For all of these. I don't care what the directions say. I want distance and midpoint. Now, if you can't be with us, here's the worksheet, which looks like that. And then you have some more problems over here. If you finish your work early, make sure you work on some work that you didn't finish for my class or a different class. However, If I see an electronic device, laptop or whatever, from Monday to Thursday, it's going to come up on my desk until the end of the day. Do not open your laptops. All right. Have a good morning, and I'll see you in class.